Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw banana. Do you know what is banana? Banana is a yummy fruit that grows on a tall plant. They are yellow on the outside and soft and sweet on the inside. Banana are the great for snacks because they give you energy and help you stay strong. Do you know? Monkey loves to eat banana. Banana are one of the most popular fruit in the world. They grow in a bunches on banana plant, which looks like a tree but are actually tall herbs. When banana are green, they are not quite ready to eat, but when they turn yellow, they are perfect for snacking. Bananas are not only yummy but also full of important vitamins like potassium, which help keep your heart and muscles healthy. You eat banana in so many ways. You can slice them on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just peel and eat them on the go. And don't forget, monkey and even elephant love banana so much. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.